Hi there, how is it going? Today, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can close a short position on Webull safely and quickly. But first, you have to make sure that you're using the correct version of the website or the app or the desktop so that you will be able to access all of its features and that you will be able to actually do all these steps. So, make sure to listen carefully so that you will be able to do every explanation that I will be describing. So the first one that you will have to do is open your Webull and go to the portfolio. So you have to make sure that you're using the correct version again. And yeah, after you click portfolio, you will just have to click short positions under it, and then you will select the short position that you want to close and then click trade and buy to close. Then you will enter the number of shares to cover, and after all that, you will just have to confirm and submit the order. And that's it. You've successfully closed your short position on Webull, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.